This is the key. Faith isn't having no doubt. You can doubt, but still obey. That's faith. Doubt isn't the opposite of faith. Not obeying is the opposite of faith. Faith is believing even when you cannot see. Faith is acting even when you are not sure. Faith is obeying even when you doubt. Now, it's time to say what Peter said, like this: because you say so, I will act. Because you say so, I will obey. Because you say so, I will follow you.